Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnanji, probably the second president of India, and on his birthday we are celebrating Teachers' Day. I would like to thank President of the School Management Committee and the functionaries. Also, I would like to thank the principal of Animesh Academy. I thank our West Zonal Chairman, Mr. Debbarma, for being here with us. Also, I thank Mr. Peter, social activist, and all the children, teachers, everyone. I want to thank all the teachers and congratulate, and also would like to wish you all Happy Teachers' Day. I'm really happy today to see the children. They made us to feel that as if we are celebrating Children's Day. And the teachers in Animesh Academy, I'm sure you all have taught them in such a manner. They're so disciplined. They have given us warm welcome, and days to come I can see that this school will flourish like any other school in this state. Maybe you don't have so good infrastructure here, but days to come we can ensure you all. We as a government, we will be in a position to finance, to support all the private schools in Tripura to grow. Today is Teachers' Day. We should remember, we should thank all the teachers who are sacrificing their life with small salary. They have come all the way from other states and teaching our children here. Once upon a time, I can remember, there was only one and only one school in Tripura where people used to get English medium school is only St. Paul's. But today, every nook and corner in Tripura, English medium schools are coming up. And this is a good sign for all the Tiprasa people. I was talking to our Sir Ranjit that the life all of us we have sacrificed for our people to make the feeling that Tiprasas need to survive in Tripura. We need our statehood. The demand we are raising, one day definitely this is going to happen. Ang sana musungo, tini na hai shalo, jod to charai ro, gor jara tongnai ro, summo noro kahin charai bhai kahin. Kebo tini rasapnan bagai, miani simu tu ithaya charai ro tongoro hai. Buma bu phabo, besar ro dress up khai rohnan bagai, buma bu phabo mat kulai hai. Kebo jara group dance khlainai charero sak ko no thangi noro dance practice khlai binoro musapai kai beautiful kintu charero nu sengma sao tini chini borok buibai sikluk jagi tomani jora o jora sengma sirnai. This is the time for learning. क्या वो स्टूडेंट का हम करें क्या वो हमिया करें जे गोबां हार्ड वर्क लाइनाय bono life को सक्सेसफुल लोगो I want to share about my life. When I was young boy like you all, I used to think I'm postman and musungwagi. Uchithi tunna yai. Buini nogo thangi chithi tunma ne abu nang khub sajago. Karon cycle kai ma thango abu. Jeng serai puro jeep gari ni hukul bahai manan bagi se gari phaige khabur lai thango haise. Petrol bahai motom bo haise. Abun bagai azora cycle ro green bagai cycle kai guri maza busuk kaham mungjagan postman nan musungman. But when I reached somewhere in class 9, I could realize that postman is not the job which I should take up. Then I have changed my mind. African teacher na musunga because my father himself is a teacher. Project maso beton manu buala manu apurai sarunjit manishu surung tobo bual sana. Agi bual tabu bual asa failure Tripura wai. My father used to get salary in Kuwait, and on the way he drops in Chebri Bazaar, and he used to buy bual fish. Ekdom arai hat tin hat logo abu bual. Apuran Musuka, I should be a teacher. After my matriculation, then again I saw, Hari, doctor, engineer, Sasol, Sakri, Lapusa, doctor, engineer, Musu. And God's grace, I could complete my BTech in computer science and engineering, and I could work in IUCN for 8 years and came back for politics. And really today, on Teachers' Day, I remember all my teachers who taught us, who brought us up, and who all contributed us to become a person, an educated man, so that we can also share and work in this society. Ini teachers jogi sal, jotto teachers jogna borom yaparu. Although we are social activists, political activists, but we still remember what is the hardship, what is the life of a teacher. Ini is a Rimai Rimani. This Rimai is from somebody was telling from Nagaland. Mo pathor by tagza kahida kanai. Mo dega refan pagla kahida. Ulan singa mo ki machine by dekhai. No, this is not machine made. This is handmade. And I really thank those sisters who made it in Nagaland. Definitely this has not been made in Tripura. Beautiful. And I remember your principal went to me, I think once with Peter. I don't know why he keeps on smiling every time. When he was talking about the school building, that our infrastructure should be far better, that also smilingly only he told me. And today, when I was welcomed by all of you all, he was again smiling and welcoming me. And I am sure one day he will bring smiles in every household of these children. And please give him a big hand. And then another lady came and shook hand. I asked Peter, who is she? She is Mrs. Principal. She is also here. And then I am sure your child is a boy child. Okay, two children you have?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, they also shook hand. So nice of you all. I have to go for another program. Nothing much to say, it is only feelings. Teachers will always remain teacher. Whether you are a retired teacher or you are a presently teaching teacher, teachers are always teachers. Ini hayungi joto teachers, not only the teachers of Elim Academy, Hayung Ganangi je teacher tongai rugno, dalai ani hamjakmani te kulmungang yapar, norugno society no right direction of langnai. Without education, nothing happens. Even if you want to become grocery shop owner, you have to have education. Educated man always will plan differently. Dinin dino shikha kariga chungpuro khlaimai hai. If at all, buini busarok jodi chungno kirija kongkai, I tell you it is because of our education. Sini borong agi horok busuk shikha dikha khaini tong. When I was 7 years old, sini entire quite uparo matro khorogni graduate. And in those days, Borogrog nijeni nameplate siye Oma BSc ganu hai BA pass was MA pass BA pass our honors then I roka honors bosi hai. Tini jodi Peter bin nogo boot si Peter dai Koma MSc kai namani jangai tangai karon sini borok dabu ঘরে ঘরে MA BA ডাক্তার ইঞ্জিনিয়ার কমান খাইছে এবং তে বুংনাই শুধু চাকরিনি বাগै जों লেখাপড়া পড়িয়া সাক সিনানি सोलोंनानि চিনি থিনানি দামাवनो वान सुकमानना नुगाय শিক্ষা नांनाय এবং all of you all teachers जों तावैसा हामबाय आफारै आं गोबां कक सालिया thank you so much and enjoy this day is yours. Let us celebrate Teachers Day in beautiful way. Thank you so much. Ambai.